Hello guys, come on in. We just finished this beautiful project. Here you can see an amazing front yard that we did. It's a combination with the artificial turf and concrete. Here you can see how the artificial turf is going that way, and then over here we did a playground, like a play area, basketball with basketball court. All around the fence we did the ficus trees with the irrigation system. So we painted the garage and did the exterior lights for the playground. We did the new garage door. It's an amazing garage door, like a modern style. So we did a completely new entrance with the aluminum cladding, wall cladding. It's an amazing solution for exterior. You can see how we paint everything everywhere, including the roof. And over here we finished with the mulch. Just put some cover to cover it and block the view from the neighbor. So we did complete backyard remodeling over here. As you can see, come out amazing. We remodeled the pool, we did artificial turf, we did concrete over here. You can see ficus trees all around, some palm trees, and then a gorgeous patio cover. You can see the pictures before and after, so you can see the transformation. We actually replastered the pool completely. We demo everything down, all the plaster, and we apply new plaster with the new tile coping all around the pool, all around the perimeter of the pool. We also install a new equipment over here, so it's kind of upgrading the pool. We added some lights over here. It's come out amazing. We highly recommend our clients to go with the hardscape, artificial turf, because it's actually helping a lot with the maintenance. You don't need to spend additional money on the gardener, on the water, and it's always green and nice. So it's a nice place to be with your family and enjoy the backyard. Here you can see living area. We opened this up. It was a wall over here, so we had to reinforce the framing, apply metal beam to hold all this roof and all this house up, and of course new footings everywhere. And then you can see it's come out really nice. We did a tile on this wall. We did the plumbing, all the rough plumbing. We relocated the plumbing as needed. We did electrical, ground up, so it's a new lines everywhere. It's an LED lights. You can see it's a 4-inch wide trim LED lights. And then we installed this beautiful modern European style cabinets with the combination of this black countertop. It's come out amazing, as well as this pantry with the refrigerator. We also did a pot filter per homeowner request, and it's come up amazing. You can see the countertop is integrated to the backsplash, and all the rest is white and clean walls. We also did this hardwood floor. Of course, we go all the way to the walls before we install the cabinets. And Here we relocate everything accordingly to accommodate to all the kitchen needs. Here we did the ground up bathroom remodeling. You can see it's come out very nice. Did a curveless shower pan with the hidden drain and the handheld shower and the rain head shower. It's come out really nice. We also did a shampoo niche over here and clear glass to open up the spaces, give you a feeling of a bigger space. Vanity, I believe it's really nice. The color combination also come out very good. You can see we install new lights, new ceiling fan, electrical outlets, baseboards of course. We paint the whole bathroom, come out really nice. Another solution that we did over here, which I really like, it's this door towards the exterior. So if you're using your pool, you can easily come here, take your shower and not going through the whole house. So please use this solution to your house as well. Here you also can see a master bedroom that we did over here. We install a new sliding door. We paint the whole bedroom, new floor, paint. You can see LED lights on the ceiling, new window. It's come out amazing. You have access to the backyard and the pool, which is really nice. Here we did the bathroom remodeling. We opened up this wall completely to give it a bigger space. Vanity, toilet, we rerouted completely everything over here. The plumbing is new, the walls, windows, all the electrical is new. You can see that we integrated here the shower and the bathtub at the same space. The shower, it's really huge. It's 5 by 10 just for the shower and the bathtub. It's amazing big area. And you can see we use handheld over there with the shower head held. So there is no curve. We waterproof everything, of course, accordingly. And it's come out really nice. Give us a call and we will make it happen.